I've had a lot of complaints about Tonebia blocker. Why is it not working again? What is the replacement for the Tonebia blocker? My name is Taiwo Jeffrey. I am the freelance guy. I've actually made a research on about the Tonebia blocker. Why is it not available? And what is the benefit of that Tonebia blocker? Because a lot of us, we just install the extensions on our, while we're creating a Fiverr account, we just install it on our platform without knowing the benefits and why is Tonebia blocker. Now, before you can create a Fiverr account, there is something that Fiverr have actually added to their platform, which is we call it a malicious ads. A malicious ad is an ad where your account may not get approved as a seller if you are using some original location. You understand? So that is why Fiverr actually creates that bot in order to work as a suspense. And if you have a Tonebia blocker, the Tonebia blocker will be able to block those malicious ads. And not only that, the essence of installing that Tonebia blocker is for you, is for you to also enter. There are some restricted browser, and there are some restricted country where you cannot access them on your normal internet. But the use of the help of the Tonebia blocker, will be able to access them, and you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. And that is the essence of the Tonebia blocker. Now, there is a replacement for Tonebia blocker, which I'm going to be list out for you, free and fair. Okay. Now, I said if you want to install, you want to create a Fiverr account, there are extensions that you actually need. Like I said, if you want to install, you want to create a Fiverr account, there are some extensions that you actually need to install before you create a Fiverr account. And a lot of people are always been saying that the freelance guy, why am I not saying? Because there is a recent video that I did on YouTube. The video is very, very long. How to set up an account, extension you need to install, and all of that. And those extensions, a lot of people are always, they've been commenting on my on the comment section that the Tonebia blocker is no longer available. Yes, I have made a research on it, and the video has been done before I made a research that why the Tonebia blocker is no longer available and what is the replacement for Tonebia blocker. Okay, so, and like I've defined the Tonebia blocker, that is a blocker where it actually block some malicious ads on the browser, on the websites, and some restricted country as well. Okay. And the essence of installing the Tonebia blocker is for you to have a safe and sound Fiverr account setting up. Okay, because when you are creating your Fiverr account, you should be able to create like a safe and sound Fiverr account that is going to be last longer. Okay, so because of some of these advanced bots that Fiverr have actually installed on their platform. Okay, so what is the replacement for that Tonebia blocker? Now, if you want to install those extensions that I've mentioned on the previous video that I did, like I said, you will install the Ghost Tree, you will install the Tonebia blocker, and the replacement for Tonebia blocker, you will install the Ghost Beer. Replacement for Tonebia blocker is Ghost Beer. So, and that Ghost Beer, you will install it together with. So, Tonebia blocker, you will install it with Tonebia. You will install it with Tonebia VPN. Okay, Tonebia VPN. So, instead of installing the Tonebia blocker, so you just install the Ghost Beer together with Tonebia VPN. Okay, and other extensions. The other extension, which is Ghost Tree, what again? Ghost Tree, and some other extension like that I've mentioned on that video. I may not remember again, but let me check my book. So, but I may not remember again. So, those extensions are very essential when you are creating your Fiverr account, which is very, very essential. So, if you find this video helpful, comment it on the comment sections. Share this video, like. People don't normally engage with my video. Why? Subscribe to this channel. I am the freelance guy. My name is Taiwo Jeffrey. If you have any gifts for me, just comment it on the comment section. Let me send you mine. So thank you guys.